Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I'm Push Tech. Today we're going to see the final stage of our 16E series. 16E as primary and attachment we did for in our previous videos. Today we're going to do the last attachment. This is going to be 51.5E. We have done 26 and 28. We've done this 36. We did 42. There's a 45 also, but I didn't do video for 45 because the channel is not, this satellite is not that stable. But I want to do the last one here, 51.5E Belintersat. So these are the parameters. Belintersat 51.5E 11009H 28557, or they say this one is free. This one is free. This one LCL for those of you that have LCL decoder and you want to maybe use this as a, instead of getting another dish for SLTV, you have a TV decoder, you can just also add it to this setup. And that one is 10953H 25,000. So before we go to the tracking, let me quickly give you a guide. I'm using this. Please take note of this. This is 9 o'clock. Setup is 9 o'clock, and the scaler is a little bit bent on this side. I told you earlier that if you don't bend it, the LMB will facing out of the dish and you won't get the signal. So take note, 9 o'clock, then the scaler is bent. So let's quickly go to a satellite. So let's quickly go to a satellite and see. Attach this. So okay, so this thing is shaking on both sides. Okay, so let's can see. Let's see the LMB up. You can see. I think it should be a little bit higher than this 36. So this should be 42. So this should be 51. So you can see I'm getting 10, about to get it. So 55, 52, 55. So I got the signal. Quickly, I got the signal, but it's not yet stable. Trying to make it stable. Okay, so here's the signal for the bets. So with this signal, we can now adjust it and get our full SLTV. So this is the betting frequency. So we continue by adding our measurements. Just come to me. Okay, so we will track the SLTV. We're using the only free TV we have here now is Salvation Ministry. So we can see we got the Salvation Ministry. So you can see, and it's working very well. It's working. So that's how you track your 51.5E. Okay, so that's how you track your 51.5E attaching to 16E. So you can see the array of it. You can see the 16 This is 26 and 28. This is 36, and this is the 51. You look at, take note of it, how is focused on the dish, it's focusing on the dish. So if you want to get it, look at how it bends, very slanty inside the dish. So we're going to go to the measurement and distances between 16 and 51. So we want to see the distance between 16 and 51. So if you are using a scalar, first of all, you count the distance between from this boat here to this boat. You can see is 12 and a half inch. 12 and a half inch. If you are using a scalar, then the height is 11 inch. 11 inch. Then if you are not using a scalar, maybe you are using a binding wire, you just want to know the distance from here to this side. Let me measure it for you to see. The distance from here, like this, from this, for this point to this point is about 19, is about 19 and a half inch. 19 and a half inch. So take note of that. So that is how you attach your 16, 26 and 28. Your 36, we tracked 42 here. We can track 45 here also. Then the final one you can do here is 51.5E on a 1 meter dish. I told you don't try it on 60 centimeter dish. Don't even try it on 90 centimeter dish, but try it on 1 meter dish. That's only how you can fully enjoy this. Thank you. Meet in our next lecture. Bye bye.